insanely high water level.
It's not unusual to say with anyone, but if I ever find that you've changed any time, it's not unusual to find that I'm in love with you.
Sunshine on a cloudy day, when it's cold outside.
Hey, good evening everyone, welcome to another video. Right, I am very pleased to tell you that the sealant has indeed worked on the Hoover Spinarinse model 3012A. As everyone knows who's seen the previous videos of this dates to December 1968. It's had constant problems with the pipe because I had an original... Oh god, I'm so sorry. This is the original hose. I ended up cutting it too short, but this had holes. It's had, look, you can see it there. Oh god, it's just actually just split in my hand. But yeah, that's been cracking. I'm trying to keep this so I know what hose to get for it. God man, that hose is cracking. It split before I picked it up, so don't think I broke it. But I fitted a washing machine hose to it. Obviously, it didn't prove very valuable because it's reliable. Because obviously, anyone who owns one of these machines know how powerfully Hoover machines pump out at. And obviously, a standard washing machine hose is not built to probably withstand the amount of pressure it comes out. And not only that, Hoover hoses are actually moulded to fit over your sink. This one isn't. So what I've had to do is something quite funny. I've got the hose here, as you can see. And I've got to hook it over a mop bucket, but I've got to use one of my boots to actually keep it down, because otherwise it will literally shoot over everything. And yeah, I had a similar setup where I plumbed it over or something like that. I know it's quite sad, really. I can't fully enjoy having it over the end. I think what I normally do is I just push it through. I might just have to hold it, to be honest, really. Although that should probably hold if I push that down hard enough. Probably won't. It'll shoot out. But anyway, yeah, it's not built. It's just temporary. There is someone who is selling a Hoovermatic 3174 for scrap. So I can try and get the hose off that because that's near the time of that. Alright, anyway, I've got a load of woolens here that I did in the Miele after the 900 spin. I might just have a bit of fun rinsing it. Oh, hang on, this top is dry, so I can move that. That's getting in my way. Right. Probably won't be able to fit it all in there, but these have already been rinsed, but I'm just going to pour some water over them. I think it's a slightly less capacity, so I'm going to do what I can. Yeah, I'm going to probably just to be safe. I will warn you that this one is much louder than the 302 one. You know what I've just gone and done? I always keep bloody doing this. I'm going to have to take the load out again, aren't I? Yeah. I'm going to put the whole lot in. Get the hose in there. The restrainer mat. Just keep that there. Hope it don't fall over the balcony. Right. Anyway. Yeah, we'll just have a bit of a test. Just hope none comes out. Right, I'm actually going to take the boot off because I'm going to just hold that myself. Right, so here goes. Enjoy. Probably will need a bit of a rinse. Probably isn't going to come out of the hose, I don't know. Oh, I've got to switch it on first because I've done it for safety. Right, here we go. Just move all that. Yes, Hoover spin dryers are very noisy. that's okay. I thought. Wow. Probably need too long to spin it before. Yeah. And there you go. I've got a neighbour who's actually looking down and wondering what the hell this is. So I'll just keep that there. It's probably going to flick out. You might hear him call over in a minute. So he's looking. Actually, no. It's a warm day, so this is not going to be hot. Right. Let me position this a bit. Position this a bit. If I position it over there, you can get a bit of a better shot. That won't be directly in front of it. This slot is not going to be rinsed. I'm just going to push this slot through the spinner. What's the heaviest one? It's mine, isn't it? Not Mum's. He's looking in confusion. I wish I could show you his face. No, I better watch that zip. This is probably going to vibrate like hell. But I hope not. Well, I hope so. Anyway, here goes. Up there and was just wondering what on earth. I mean, there might be a little bit of a puddle on the floor, but nothing can. Oh god, it automatically come on. You won't always see the amount of water coming out of it, but you know that it is doing a good job. Well, anyway, I'm very pleased about that. I am. I'm sorry it's not the most best quality video, but I just wanted to share this moment with you all that hopefully it was going to work. And we'll just put it through one more spin. See, because all that remains in there. What I normally do is just let it stop. Okay, you can hear there's still. Hang on. Just maybe one more. I'll be probably. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. And so obviously this machine's being, the Spinarinse is being put in gentle retirement, which means it'll only be used about probably once or twice a month, due to the reasons, of course, of the hose. Once I get a proper Hoover hose, which I will request from the eBay seller, you might be seeing her a lot more, especially in more summer videos. But apart from that, have a good evening and see you in the next video.